We start the proper noun with a capital letter. Even the pronouns, especially I, starts with a capital letter. Is it clear to everyone, Avishikta, Ashmita, and Rajdeep?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now, Ashmita, can you read the next line with a capital letter?
A capital letter begins the first or any important word in the title of a book, song, film, poem, or any other word. Read the last chapter of Huckleberry Finn. He saw Honkin yesterday on television.
Very good. Excellent. So what happened for the title of a book, for the name of a person, for a name of a place, for a song name, for a name of a film, or for a name of a poem, we always use the capital letter. In short, for proper nouns, we always use the capital letter. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Abhishek?
ma'am.
Okay. Now, Abhishekta, can you read it from here? Punctuation.
Punctuation, period, full stop. A complete sentence that makes a statement ends with a period. Example: it is your birthday. You blow out the candle.
Very good.
Most
So, what is the meaning of period, Abhishekta? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, please repeat.
What is the meaning of period? What is the meaning of period? Can you please tell me, Abhishekta?
Period means duration or time.
No. Yes, period means duration and or time. But here, what is the meaning of period? Here,
End.
yes. Tell me again. No. It is the meaning of period is full stop. See here, it is written full stop. The full stop is also known as period. Is it clear, Abhishekta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rajdeep, is it clear, beta? What does
Yes, ma'am.
period means? Ashmita and Shuanshu, is it clear to both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Now what happens when we end the sentence there we put a full stop. For example, it is your birthday, we are ending the sentence. So we put a full stop. Then we write, we blow out the candle. Again, this is the end of a sentence. So we again put a full stop here. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rajdeep, is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next line. Rajdeep, can you read in Morse abbreviation?
Most abbreviation end with a period. Dr. Rosa lives near. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. So what happens almost every day?
Today we are done.
For most abbreviation, we use the full stop. How? For example, if we write doctor, we don't write the whole spelling DOCTOR. We just write it as DR, then we put a full stop. That means it is the short form of doctor. So Dr. Rosa lives near, again Saint, S-A-I-N-T, Saint is the full form, but we are using an abbreviation that is ST, so we put a full stop after ST. Then we write Mary Church. Is it clear to everyone where do we put this full stop?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. Now, Shuanshu, can you read the next part? Question mark.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Shuanshu, can you read it? Question mark.
Yes. Do you miss your homework?
Okay, it's okay, Shuanshu.
Where will you?
Very good. Excellent, Shuanshu. So when we ask a question, we normally use a question mark. For example, when will you finish your homework? So here we are asking a question regarding when Shuan will finish his homework. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Very good. Avishikta, Ashmita and Rajdeep, is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I need an example from Ashmita of a sentence which is ending with a full stop. Can you tell me, Ashmita?
My name is Asmita De.
What is not clear? And the screen is dark.
Excellent, Ashmita. The screen is dark. Avishikta, Ashmita, Rajdeep, can you all see the screen better?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. I can see the screen.
Okay, Shuanshu, is it now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay. Now, Shuanshu, give me an example of a sentence which will end with a full stop. Better. Excellent, Ashmita, it's correct. Yes, Shuanshu, tell me the example of a sentence that will end with a full stop. Do one thing, Shuanshu, you send me the answer in chat. Okay, now Rajdeep, tell me a sentence which ends with a question mark. Sorry, sentence which ends with a full stop. Very good. We play football. Okay, Avishikta, give me an example of a sentence which ends with a full stop. Better.
My name is Obisikta.
Very good. Excellent. Now, Avishikta, can you give me the example of a sentence which ends with a question mark?
How are you?
Very good. Excellent, Avishikta. Ashmita, can you give me an example of a sentence that ends with a question mark? Very good. Excellent. Just that Shuanshu, the S will be in the capital letter, beta. The starting S.
Yes, ma'am. What is it?
The starting S of Shuanshu
Ma'am, can
will be the capital letter beta, and also the das will be in capital letter. Okay. Now, Rajdeep, can you tell me a sentence which ends with a question mark beta?
Do you play football?
Very good. Excellent. Okay. Now, you tell me, Ashmita, a sentence which ends with a full stop.
Ma'am, I have told you already.
What did you say? I forgot, beta. Can you repeat it?
Ma'am, my name is Roshmita Te.
Very good. No, I'm asking with a question mark, beta, not with a full stop.
Ma'am, you told full stop.
Oh, then I'm wrong. I'm sorry. Tell me, Ashmita, a sentence that ends with a question mark.
Where do you live?
Where do you live? Excellent. Okay. Now, Ashmita, can you read it from here? Punctuation, exclamation mark from here.
A statement expressing a strong feeling or excitement ends with a exclamation mark. What a beautiful day it is.
Very good. Excellent. So what happened when we try to explain our feelings, or we have a strong emotion and we need to convey it to someone else, or we want to tell our emotion or our feeling or our excitement, then we use the exclamatory mark. For example, hooray, we won the match. So here we are trying to express our happiness, that we are so happy because we won the match. So we are using the word hooray and after that exclamatory mark. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhishekta, Shuanshu, is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Abhishekta, can you give me an example of a sentence which ends with exclamatory mark, beta? Abhishekta, give me the example of a sentence.
How beautiful the sky is.
Very good. How beautiful the sky is. Excellent, Abhishekta. Okay, Rajdeep, give me an example, beta. Rajdeep, can you give me an example? Water,
Big fish.
water, green fish. Okay, very good. Excellent. What a big fish. Okay, now Ashmita, can you give me an example with with a sentence which ends with exclamatory mark, beta?
Yes, ma'am, I can give.
Shuanshu, send me the examples in chat, beta. You have already sent me the one sentence which ends with a full stop. Now send me a sentence which ends with a question mark and a sentence which ends with an exclamatory mark.
Wow, the letter of the sea is beautiful.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. Now, Rajdeep, can you read it? Punctuation, comma.
Ma'am, which one?
Punctuation, comma. From here, Rajdeep. A comma separates how you are is wrong. How are you?
In areas, I ate a burger, a slice of pizza, and a cookie.
Very good. Excellent. So what is comma used for? Comma is used to separate things in a series. Or in a sentence. For example, we are using the comma here. We are eating a burger, a slice of pizza, and a cookie. These are all the names of a food. So we are using a comma here. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rajdeep, the class will end after 6 minutes with her. Okay. Shuanshu, do one thing. Send me a sentence which is ending with an exclamatory mark and a sentence in which we have used a comma. Okay, Rajdeep, can you tell me a sentence with a comma in it, better?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, better. Rajdeep, can you
Ma'am?
give me an example of a sentence where we use a comma? Yes, tell me. Amato, tell me what I'm hearing.
Good evening.
Good evening, Amato. Good evening. Okay. Ashmita, give me the example of a sentence where we can use a comma.
A captain is our Ram. A captain is our team.
A captain is our first one. What you say? The captain is our.
Ram, captain is our team.
So where we will be using the comma, Rajdeep, here in this sentence. We are using the full stop. Our captain is our. Rajdeep, think and give another example. Wait, I'm coming to you. Yes. Now, Ashmita, can you give me an example of a sentence which is having a comma in it?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
their comma is in Captain Ram. Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait, I'm coming back to both of you. Wait, Rajdeep, it's not used after Ram. Yes. Ashmita, can you give me an example, beta?
When I give example,
Shuanshu, you send me
comma.
the example in chat.
Ram, comma, Ram, comma, Jodu, comma, Sam is our three friends. Our three friends.
Very good. Excellent, Rajdeep. It's correct. Okay. Shuanshu, it's correct. Ashmita, can you tell me, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
I ate. I ate.
I ate, then Ashmita. Amorto, do one thing. Send me the answer in chat, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I ate a cake, cookie, and some biscuits.
Very good. I ate a cake, cookie, some biscuits. Very good. Okay, now Avishikta, better give me an example of a sentence which has a comma in it. Avishikta, better give me.
I am singing. Rama is dancing.
Okay. And then beta.
And Ram is playing.
Very good. Excellent. So you are using the comma after I am singing, comma, Rama is dancing and Ram is playing. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay. Now I need to check the example of Omurto.
Ma'am, I am typing.
Then tell me, Amuthu.
I read a passage of English, two passage of Bengali, and no, I read a passage of English, two passage of Bengali, and one chapter of math.
Very good. Excellent, Amuthu. Okay, now the next one. Next one, Amuthu, can you read it, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Can you read it from here? A comma separates.
A comma separates items in an address or date. Mumbai, Maharashtra.